come and look at instructions. This cute. Place some orders, you know, shop black. That's what we need to do. Hey me Jules, if this video has found you after Christmas, I hope you've had an amazing Christmas. If it's found you before Christmas, I hope you have an amazing Christmas and a very happy new year. So basically, don't mind how I'm looking. We did a mad Christmas shopping today, bought everyone's gift, wrapped everyone's gift. Today is the 19th of December and tomorrow is Mummy's birthday. So I went on a little not shopping spree. I didn't really buy much, but I bought a few things for her birthday to celebrate her birthday. I bought this thing from one of the supermarkets. I won't say which one. It never really came with a lid, so I'm quite like disappointed. So I had to find like a lid for itself. So basically at 12 o'clock tonight, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in Mummy's room. I'm gonna do this. Wait, can you see it? Do this. Oh. Oh shit, my camera. So yeah, I'm gonna, hopefully it goes okay, because I had to find a lid from somewhere else. It basically squirts out strings, so this is what it looks like. So it's basically, well, you can't really see it, but it squirts out strings. Oh Lord God. So I had to break off one of these the spray bottle thing, but it's not fitting properly on it. Obviously it's not the correct one, but we're gonna work with it. So I bought this. Her gift's already in the bag. It's already in her bag. And then I bought these balloons. It says hip hip hooray. So I think I'm gonna try blow one up with you. And I bought these LED lights. It says it's 15 hours, so maybe I can actually start blowing them up from now. Yeah. I'm gonna blow it up on the camera with you guys and see how it looks. I just need to go and get the blower. I can't wait, look at instructions. This cute. I'm gonna understand what this is. Pull this out. Hold on 1 second, Julsz. So
few moments later.
So this is a candle that we made today, which is for one of my customers. So I'm just introducing this to you guys. The Pretty Dolls Vibe. That's what my business is called, and we're selling candles. I'll be selling lip glosses next year. This is a rebrand. I'm excited. This is a vanilla scented candle. It comes in an 8-ounce jar, so if you'd like to place an order, you can just message me on Instagram and I will get that done for you. And we've got, I can't really show it, well, let me try and block out the address. And this is another order going out. Can't show you the top because it's got the person's address on it, but yeah, I'll be going to the post office tomorrow to deliver those. And yeah, it comes in a cute little wrapped bag like this. You can also get your personalized initial on the candle and also any color of your choice. And the scents we have right now is hot apple pie, cinnamon, vanilla, apple cinnamon. And yeah, welcome to my business, guys. Please do follow the business page, The Pretty Dolls Vibes. And yeah, I've finished. But yeah, guys, come and shop with Julsz. You know, Julsz has got the best candles in the whole world. It smells amazing. The fragrances are so lit. We decorate it like you won't be disappointed. The slippers are nice and comfortable. The bath bombs are very, like, what's the word? Like, you know when you put a bath bomb and you can actually see, yeah, it's very fizzy, so you will see it turning and the colors will be popping and everything like that. And as I said, you can order your personalized candles. We will put your initial on it and we'll also do it in the color of your choice. Candles are for £10. The lip glosses at the moment are £4. Those ones that I got left in stock. I'll insert a picture of the swatches that I got for the lip glosses. We do the delivery international and obviously nationally, so hit your girl up on Instagram, either at the business page, The Pretty Dolls Vibe, or you can contact me from my personal page on Instagram, Julsztymm. It's Mummy's birthday in a couple hours. I showed you guys the, can't really say it because Mum's right here, so you lot know it's gonna be lit. We got her present underneath the tree, and it's right there in that big bag. Let me try and show you guys. Let me zoom it up. Okay. Hold on. So let me show you Mummy's so that big white bag, that's Mum's present right there. I can't wait for her to open it up. All the other presents underneath the tree is for everyone else. And that's our tree. I'm so sorry that we didn't come and show you how we actually assembled the tree, but Christmas was going a bit crazy, so if you lot do see this vlog before Christmas, which I hope you do, that's our tree. And yeah, we'll be back because obviously we, oh no, you just have to zoom all the way.
Turn it on under the one you spark to me.
What?
Turn on it like that and catch it.
Yeah, let it run with me. Can't be perfect in there. We're showing them the just natural, you know what I mean? My what? But yeah, guys, that is our little setups. I'm gonna come back later on. You might not see Mummy because obviously I don't know if Mum wants to be on the camera because she's not really camera ready right now. But you probably will see her birthday, the actual event, tomorrow with us cooking. We're just gonna cook and chill because you know what's going on in the pandemic and everything like that. So going out right now is not really the smartest choice. So we're just gonna have a home get together, laughter, good food, good vibes, everything like that. So remember, check out my Instagram page, my business page, and place some orders. You know, shop black. That's what we need to do. We need to shop black.
Place some orders for my birthday, please.
Place some orders for Mummy's birthday.
Not for me, you cannot get it, but just do it today.
Yeah. But yeah, so I'll be back shortly. I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate the living room for Mummy's birthday. And yeah, I'm going to show you the little vibes and everything like that. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe because, you know, over here we have a good time all the time. And I am Julsztymm, if you're new here, formerly known as Miss Julszby. So yeah, big up on yourself. I'll be back shortly and